Welcome back to our Excel masterclass, where we demystify the magic of spreadsheets. Today, we have two powerful Excel functions on our radar, minimum and MinIfs. They're like your trusty sidekicks when it comes to finding the smallest values in your data. Let's dive in and unleash their potential. The minimum function is your go-to tool when you want to find the smallest value in a range of numbers. It's like a treasure hunt for the tiniest gem. Imagine we have a list of exam scores for a group of students. To find the lowest score, we use the minimum function. Simply type =, followed by minimum, and then select the range of scores. So the formula will look like this. =min, B2 through B5. Excel automatically calculates the minimum value, which in this case is 78. Our smallest number has been found. Isn't it amazing how quickly Excel does the heavy lifting for us? But wait, there's more. Let's meet the MinIfs function. MinIfs is like the minimum function, but with a twist. It allows you to find the smallest value that meets specific criteria. Now, let's say we have another list of exam scores, but this time, each score belongs to a different subject. To find the smallest score in math, we can use the MinIfs function. Here's how it's done. =MinIfs, first select minute range B8 through B11. Criteria range 1, which is going to be column A8 through A11. And finally, the last criteria in this case is a math. And there you have it. Excel looks for all the scores under math and gives us the minimum value, which is 90. But wait, there's more to explore. You can use multiple criteria with MinIfs too. For example, we can find the smallest score in science for a particular student, let's say Liz. The formula would look like this. =MinIfs, select column C14 through C17 where all the scores listed. And we select criteria range 1, which is column B14 through B17. Next criteria 1, which is a science. Now we select the criteria range 2, column A14 through A17. And criteria 2, which is Liz. And boom! Excel combines both criteria and gives us the smallest score in science for Liz, which is 78. How awesome is that? Minimum and MinIfs functions are like your Excel treasure hunters, always ready to fetch the smallest gem from your data. That's a wrap on minimum and MinIfs functions. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Excel wizardry, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to get notified about more exciting Excel tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring and excelling.